Welcome, stargazers. Let's explore the cosmic energies around each zodiac sign on December 17, 2023. Are you ready for a celestial roller coaster? Aries, the spotlight is yours today. Your confidence is magnetic, so take center stage with humility. Did you know that your charisma can blaze like a supernova? Taurus, release control issues and trust the flow. Did you know that letting go can lead to unexpected opportunities? Gemini, dive into deep conversations and explore uncharted intellectual territories. Did you know that a chance encounter with someone brilliant could spark a game-changing collaboration? Cancer, your sensitivity can be channeled into kindness and compassion. Did you know that reaching out to someone in need could bring unexpected rewards? Leo, let your creativity flow freely and experiment. Did you know that your originality is your crown, so wear it with pride? Virgo, use your eagle's sharp vision to spot opportunities and solve problems. Did you know that sometimes the simplest solution is the most elegant one? Libra, use your natural gift for balance and harmony to navigate delicate situations. Did you know that a listening ear and a kind word can go a long way? Scorpio, channel your intensity into personal growth and let go of anything that no longer serves you. Did you know that the phoenix within you is ready to rise? Sagittarius, embrace the urge to expand your horizons. Did you know that the world is your oyster, so go explore? Capricorn, your focus is laser sharp today. Did you know that your hard work and perseverance will not go unnoticed? Aquarius, use your unique perspective to champion causes that resonate with your soul. Did you know that connecting with like-minded individuals can make the world a better place? Thanks for joining us today. Remember to embrace your cosmic energies and have a vibrant Sunday.